Hi!
Welcome back to Maria's kitchen, but we're not Maria, we're her grandsons.
And today my grandma asked me what my favorite cookie was, and I said snickerdoodle. So that's what we're going to be making here today for you. We'll be right back to go over the ingredients with you. Okay, so the first ingredient you will need is half a cup of softened butter. The next ingredient is 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar.
And you'll need 1 egg and half a teaspoon vanilla and 1.5 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Okay, so we put in the softened butter in the KitchenAid, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mix it for 30 seconds.
Are you counting to 30?
Alright, it's all done, and this is what it looks like after the 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to dump in the 1 cup of sugar. Okay, now I'm going to put in the cream of tartar and the baking soda. And now we're going to mix it until it combines.
Now we're going to add in 1 egg. Now we're going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to mix this until it combines. This is how it's supposed to look. The last thing we're doing is adding the flour. Mix this until it combines.
This is what it looks like before we put the foil on. And now we're going to cover it with foil and put it in the fridge for an hour. And now we'll see you back in an hour.
1 hour later.
So it's out of the refrigerator. Boys, your grandma's here. I just got here and I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to want to make about an inch ball. This is maybe about an inch. And you're going to roll it as fast as you can. The less time you touch it, because it's going to get sticky, you're going to roll it into the sugar mixture and try to keep it a ball still. But there's one. Okay, who's next? Grab about an inch size ball. Roll it as fast as you can, so because you can tell how it's melting, huh? Then roll it in there. Toss it all around. Good job. Okay, there you go. About an inch, maybe a little more.
We're going to put these in the oven, which is 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now we're going to bake them for 9 to 12 minutes. Here they are.
Here they are. And we've already gotten our cooled down cookies right here. And now we're going to taste them. Really good.
I gave this a 20. So good.
Funny.
Delicious.
Okay. These cookies really were good, and
Yes.
we enjoyed eating them.
Yes.
And now we're going to eat the rest of them.
Now we eat the rest of them.
Bye.
As Christians, God promises us power and strength when we call upon God to deliver us from spiritual attacks, things that bind us, whether it be an addiction, an emotional, through relationships, finances, or other strongholds. These Bible verses can help you focus on the promises of God and will renew your fight to press forward. 1 John 4:4, you dear children are from God and have overcome them, because the one who is in you is greater than the one who is in the world. James 4:7, submit yourselves to God and resist the devil and he will flee from you. Psalms 32:7, you are my hiding place, O Lord, you will protect me from all trouble and surround me with songs of deliverance. I sought the Lord and he answered me and he delivered me from all my fears. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them, and he delivers them from all their troubles. Psalms 34:17. 1 Corinthians 15:55. Thanks be to God. He gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ.